irrespective of the size, you're still going to deal with the challenges of the people around you. And I think one of the things that public libraries have to be intimately aware of is the community which you serve. So the big shift for us lately, over the 10 years that I've been here, for us to get out from behind the desk and get out into community, because people don't come into libraries necessarily asking a reference question if you're sitting behind the desk. And so all of that conversation around community engagement and civic engagement has to come, because we now need to be a bit more mayoral-like in introducing ourselves and presenting our programs in a much more ubiquitous nature, but much more noisy and much more forward than we're typically used to. So typical programs for us now are going to focus on family literacy. And so you know about our Read by Fourth initiative. If you don't, Read by Fourth is a consortium, a collective impact program, which seeks to ensure that all children in the city of Philadelphia are reading on grade level by the time they get to fourth grade. And so I think the number is just over 40% of the children are reading on grade level right now, which is a very bad number. Not atypical of an urban public library system, of a big old urban center like Philadelphia, but it's one of the few cities that has really taken this on, is owned by the library as the backbone of this initiative. We have 106 partners working with us to ensure that segments of the Read by Fourth initiative, whether it's family learning, whether it's school attendance, whether it's teacher education. This is a city that has 500,000 people over the age of 18 that are functionally illiterate. So that's an enormous number in a big city like this. And so all of our programming now is what about that number? So when we created the Culinary Literacy Center, it was that number that we had in mind to say, we have got to get at this illiteracy issue, and we've got to come about it in very atraditional methods.